second sub question. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? The given equations are 3x plus y which is equals to 1, and then 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y which is equals to 2k plus 1. See here. So here a1 by a2 which is equals to a1 it is 3 divided by 2k minus 1. Then b1 by b2 which is equals to b1 it is 1 divided by k minus 1. So now next it is c1 by c2 which is equals to c1 it is minus 1 divided by c2. C2 means take this to the LHS, not the signs will change. We get minus 2k minus 1. So now see here, to have no solution, the condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 which is not equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition for no solution. So now a1 by a2 is 3 divided by 2k minus 1 which is equals to 1 divided by k minus 1 which is not equal to c1 minus 1 divided by minus 2k minus 1. So now I take these two cases. 3, this implies 3 divided by 2k minus 1 which is equals to 1 divided by k minus 1. Go for the cross multiplication. K minus 1 will be multiplied with 3, then 2k minus 1 will be multiplied with 1. 3 into k minus 1 which is equals to 2k minus 1 into 1 will be 2k minus 1. 2k minus 1. Now multiply 3 with these two terms. We get 3k minus 3 which is equals to 2k minus 1. So rearrange the terms in there. So now take 2k to the LHS and minus 3 to the RHS. 3k minus 2k which is equals to minus 1 plus 3. Now 3k minus 2k will be k which is equals to 3 minus 1 will be 2. So this is the value of k. So for k equal to 2, the given pair of linear equation have no solution. So this is all about the second sub question. Well, let us solve the third main question. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution and cross multiplication methods. So the pair of equation is 8x plus 5y which is equals to 9, and then 3x plus 2y which is equals to 4. So we have to solve this pair of equation by two methods. First is the substitution method. So write the equations as it. First one, substitution method. So write the given equations as it is. 8x plus 5y, 8x plus 5y which is equals to 9. Call this as equation number 1. Then 3x plus 2y which is equals to 4. Call this as equation number 2. So now in substitution method we have to separate either x or y from any one of the equations. So here what I do is I separate y from the equation 1. From equation 1, y which is equals to 9 minus 8x divided by 5. 9 minus 8x divided by 5. Call this as equation number 3. Now we have to substitute 3 in equation number 2. Put equation 3 in equation number 2. So now 3x plus 2 written as it is. 2 I have written as it is. In place of y I have to write this. 9 minus 8x divided by 5 which is equals to 4. So now take up the LCM. 5 will be multiplied with 3x. At the same time 2 must be multiplied with these two terms. So 5 into 3x will be 15x plus 2 into 9 it is 18. Then minus 2 into 8x will be 16x. Then whole divided by 5 which is equals to 4. So now 15x minus 16x will be minus x plus 18 which is equals to, then take 5 to the RHS, it will be multiplied with 4, we get 20. 5 into 4 it is 20. Now minus x which is equals to 20 plus 18, take it to the RHS, it becomes minus 18. Minus x which is equals to 20 minus 18 will be 2. This implies x is equals to minus 2. We have got the value of x. Now put x equal to minus 2 in equation number 3. Put x equal to minus 2 in equation number 3. We get the value of y. So y which is equals to 9 minus 8. In place of x I write minus 2 divided by 5. So y which is equals to 9 minus into minus it is plus 8 into 2 it is 16 divided by 5. So now see here, y which is equals to 16 plus 9 will be 25. So 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 will be 5. 5 ones are 5 5s are. So we have got the value of x and then value of y. So this is all about the substitution method. Well, we'll solve the same problem by the second method, that is cross multiplication method. So now I will go for cross multiplication method. So 8x plus 5y which is equals to 9, and then 3x plus 2y which is equals to 4. So now we have to go for x, then y, then 1. So here we have to write b1 b2, c1 c2, a1 a2, and then again b1 b2 at the end. So let us write b1 b2. It is 5 and then 2. Now here we will write c1 c2. So c1 will be minus 9, then c2 will be minus 4. Now we have to write a1 a2. It is 8 and then 3. At the end again we have to write b1 b2, that is 5 2. So now multiplication of these two minus multiplication of these two, then these two, then 8 must be multiplied with 2 and minus 3 must be multiplied with 5. So we will solve this. So now x divided by 5 into minus 4 will be minus 20. Minus 20 then minus multiplication of these two. 2 into minus 9 will be minus 18. So we get minus 18, which is equals to y divided by minus 9 into 3 will be minus 27. Then minus. Now minus 4 into 8 will be minus 32, which is equals to 1 divided by, so now 8 into 2 it is 16 minus 15. So simplify this. X divided by minus 20 minus into minus plus 18, which is equals to y divided by minus 27 and plus 32, which is equals to 1 divided by 1. 16 minus 15 will be 1. So now x divided by minus 2, which is equals to y divided by 32 minus 27 will be 5, which is equals to 1. So now equate the first term with the last one and second with the last. So this implies x by minus 2 is equals to 1, and then y by 5, which is equals to 1. So now take minus 2 to the RHS, it will be multiplied with 1, we get minus 2. X is equals to minus 2, and then y, which is equals to 5. Y, which is equals to 5. So this is all about the third main question.